Faith, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your blades. So the first thing that we're going to do with our blades is make sure that they're visually clean. So we've got this little brush, and all I'm doing is just making sure that we've got all the hair and the dirt removed from the blade. Because if you're going to disinfect it and there's still a lot of hair there, all you're essentially doing is spraying disinfectant onto the dirty hair rather than actually onto the clean blade. So once it's all visually cleaned, what we're going to use is Clipicide. Now you might have 4-in-1 spray, you might have blade wash, equally you might have Barbicide. Any of the products are fine to use. The reason we use Clipicide is because it's an oil-based disinfectant. Now, things like Barbicide are a water-based disinfectant. If you clean your blades with Barbicide and don't fully dry them, what will happen is the blade will rust. Whereas with your Clipicide or your 4-in-1 spray, because it's oil-based, you can spray it on and it will dry and create a film on that blade and it won't rust. Equally, your blade wash, it depends what blade wash you have. If you have a blade wash that is mixed with water, again, it's water-based and that will rust your blade. Whereas if you've got a blade wash that pours directly in, it's very likely to be oil-based, and again, it's going to create that lubricant on your blades. So all we're going to do, now we have visually cleaned it, is we are going to spray this side, turn over, and spray that side. Then ideally we want to leave it for a few minutes for the contact time, and then we can either, like I say, wipe it off if you're in the middle of your day and you're needing to cool your blades, or you can leave them and then the next morning it will have dried and created that film.